So here I want to tell you about the Koanga Institute Dahlia collection, a collection of old dahlias. Obviously Koanga is mostly concerned with saving food plants, heritage food plants, but we do also have ornamental plants, and the dahlia collection would be part of that. These are amazing support plants in the garden. They're good value just in terms of how beautiful they are and the fact that they keep flowering, but they're really good companion plants too. These orange ones were one of the original colours that we had, and then also we have a maroon one, which is a very different shape, quite a geometric shape, quite a strange shaped flower. And then we also have this crazy white one that's quite different again, and the combination of the three together is amazing. But what's been happening as well is I've been getting these dahlia surprises appearing in my garden, these cross-pollinated ones that have appeared. So here's a kind of pinky purple cactus form one, and then a pinky purple kind of different, more doubled form flower. So I love having these in the garden. Obviously I've got quite a lot because I'm growing them to sell, but they're great to just put at the end of the bed to bring colour. And you'll see in the pictures the bees love them. The bees are in and out of the centres of them, and I think the fact that we've had these three different colours that have cross-pollinated, we've got these amazing crosses that have come, which I am just loving. And so here's the pink one again, that amazing pink form one, and then the more cactus shaped one, which is just beautiful. And we've also got this kind of salmon pink one, which is quite a lot paler than the orange one. And then just last year I got this kind of more simple formed white yellow one. It looks quite yellow in the real. So they're great plants to have around. Great for the wildlife, keep on going, really good value. And of course the good thing is I'm getting all these cross-pollinated ones, but I don't lose the originals because they're propagated from tubers, so I've always got the original ones as well. So they are really, really good fun to have around and highly recommended.